Dear students, in the today's class, we are going to learn about working principle of microwave oven, including advantage and applications of it. Let us first discuss the working principle of microwave oven. As we know that microwave oven heats the food product by generating radio waves or electromagnetic waves at microwave frequency range within the system. Generally, the microwave oven generates the microwave frequency range of 2.4 gigahertz to cook's food product, and its wavelength is 12.5 centimeter. Radio waves at this frequency range has an important property characteristic that if food particle contains water, sugar and fat, then these food particles absorb microwave radiation through atom and molecules of food, and absorption of this radiation gives energy to the atom and molecule so that it move very faster and collide with each other, and it produce heat for cooking food. This effect is called as heating effect. Next topic is advantages of microwave oven over a conventional electrical heating system. Microwave oven has capacity to heat the food product very quickly so that it can save the time. This system is very clean than conventional electrical heating system. Microwave oven can preserve natural flavor and retain most of the nutrients, and also it enhance the color and texture of food product. Next, let us discuss some of the applications of microwave oven. First one, microwave oven is used for processing and cooking of food products by dielectric heating at microwave frequencies. Second one is, it is used as bulking system like in hotels or bakeries, such as baking cakes and baking breads, and also microwave oven is used for defrosting, roasting and grilling of food product in some of the restaurant. Microwave oven is also used in medical applications such as diathermy and cancer treatment. Fourth one is microwave oven is used in destruction dry root, fungus and wood worms in timber. These are the applications of microwave oven. This is what end of the presentation. In the next class, we will discuss the functional block diagram of microwave oven in detail. Thank you and see you in the next video.